I hope Fox is going to be safe there. Between the rock. No. That's a really open path. Oh dear. I hope she doesn't die now. I think she was extremely lucky there. Really, really lucky. Go on, Fox. Go for the last kill. That was nowhere close. Nowhere near. Nowhere near.
You called?
Let's see what the enemy does. Maybe kneeling will give her some better accuracy or something. Or more chance for an interrupt.
We didn't get them all.
Let's see. Well, we're up close, finally. Getting shot at a whole lot, but still. Please, don't get an interrupt.
They're here.
No. Fox, I think you're very lucky to be alive, even. I'm gonna have to take the damage for granted, again.
Beauty.
Please be...
Something.
Oh, he's not the last. Oh dear. He's not the last. There's still an enemy. Has to be the one where Eterna is now. Oh dear. I'm not happy with this. Not happy at all. The opponent's turn is really quick, so he's only bound to be one or so.
What's this?
First aid kit. Awesome. I still don't know the purpose of the canteen, but I suppose it does have a purpose.
Have to do something about this bleeding.
Fuck, you didn't have a first aid kit, right? Go pick it up. Go pick it up.
Got it.
And then go banish yourself. Focus bandage, that's good. So now we've basically been just about everywhere, apart from this slower area. He could be in this little square. No, he's not. Oh, I hope this isn't going to turn into another Chitsena, with me not being able to find the guy. Oh, if he's going to be within one of those buildings, it's going to be really, really annoying. So Fox, you go run in front of those windows. Okay. Go run in front of those then. Maybe I should move Dimitri inside the church. Could be that he's there. Why is the door open? Fine, there's no one there. What is this building?
What's that lying around?
Ooh,
Get
hand
ready.
grenade. Well, we know where the last enemy is. That's for one. I'll load that. Don't know when I last saved, but we know where he is. I'm gonna have to do some serious inventory management soon, including with the new mercs. Cause yeah, I'm really just gonna have to hire a bunch of new ones.
Look here.
Oh, you have actually room for one.
Got it.
That's good. I'm tempted to actually throw it into the window. Is that even a window, or what is that? Oh wait, it's just a door to the bathroom. There's no other way to get in. You can't see him through. Oh god.
Time
Die.
for the enemy to say its prayers.
Thank God I got him first. So you die.
Super. What's this?
Another Desert Eagle, eh? Oh god, it's still not the last? Oh man. I was so happy that I thought I found the last one.
Yes.
Getting kinda knackered now. Let's fine, we'll go to real-time mode. Watching your action points where you're trying to explore just doesn't
We
work.
mustn't forget the ones we didn't get.
Lock isn't trapped.
Locked.
It's still locked though.
This is futile.
No, you can do it.
This is futile.
You can do it.
This is futile.
Come on.
This is futile. This is
I
futile.
don't know, I just have
This
a
is
feeling that
futile.
the enemy is going to be in there.
This is futile.
But fine, we'll leave it. Let's go take a peek through that window. Let's walk up there, I guess. Where's Ira? Oh, she's over there, is she? Let's, yeah, look through this area, because that's the only place we haven't been.
Something's
So.
lying there.
Yeah, more ammo. Jeez. I can't use that at all.
There's stuff.
Toolkit. Not getting shot in the face. Also very pleasurable.
Locked.
What does that sign say? I really can't read it. Is that a gym or some sort? Or is that like the like a dressing room for all the miners or something?
The army. I knew we'd see them sooner or later.
In there, eh? Oh god, this is going to be a tough shot. You're gonna have to make that one, Ira. Because I don't think you're gonna see him without getting shot at. She's not good. Fine. I think I'm gonna try and flank him. Or at least I'll mildly distract him, because there's another guy moving towards him. But man, that guy better be the last.
Must watch out. All soldiers are not dead.
I never want to see this map again.